Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's ebook, Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be more motivated, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and will focus on Chapter 4 Financial Literacy and Wealth Building, including subchapter Building Financial Resilience and Long-Term Prosperity. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 4 Financial Literacy and Wealth Building. Building Financial Resilience and Long-Term Prosperity. The purpose of this subchapter is to provide immigrants with information and guidance on wealth preservation. It is important to approach financial management with a long-term mindset and consider strategies such as establishing an emergency fund, diversifying investments, and planning for retirement. In addition, it is crucial to understand and plan for generational wealth transfer. By following these principles and seeking professional guidance, immigrants can achieve their financial goals and secure a prosperous future. It is of utmost importance to gain a clear understanding of the concept of wealth preservation. Immigrants often come from diverse backgrounds and may have different experiences when it comes to managing their finances. With this in mind, I encourage you to embrace the mindset of safeguarding your hard-earned wealth for future generations. One effective strategy is to establish an emergency fund that can provide coverage for unforeseen expenses, including medical emergencies or sudden unemployment. By consistently setting aside a portion of your income, you can ensure the presence of a safety net during times of need. Furthermore, it would be advantageous to consider diversifying your investments as a means of protecting your wealth against potential economic downturns. This entails investing in a variety of assets, such as stocks, real estate, and bonds, in order to spread the risks and maximize returns. Educating yourself on various investment options and seeking guidance from professionals can significantly contribute to making well-informed decisions. Proper retirement planning is another vital component of establishing long-term prosperity. Immigrants often have to start from scratch in unfamiliar systems, including retirement planning. It is never too early to commence saving for retirement, and initiating this process early on allows your investments more time to grow. It would be wise to explore retirement account options such as 401(k)s or individual retirement accounts, IRAs, which offer tax benefits and the potential for compound interest. Additionally, it is crucial to account for inflation and changing economic circumstances when planning for retirement. Regularly reassess your retirement savings goals to ensure that they align with the lifestyle you desire during your golden years. Consulting with a financial planner who specializes in retirement planning can provide tailored insights and valuable advice that cater to your unique financial situation. Lastly, let us not overlook the significance of generational wealth transfer. As immigrants, our aspirations often extend beyond personal success to encompass the prosperity of future generations. To ensure a smooth transition of your wealth to your children or grandchildren, it would be beneficial to establish a will and seek the advice of an estate planning attorney if necessary. This will enable you to outline your wishes and provide guidance on the distribution of your assets. It is important to remain mindful that building financial resilience and achieving long-term prosperity require patience, discipline, and a future-oriented perspective. The strategies outlined in this section serve as a general guide, but each individual's financial journey will be unique. Stay committed to your goals, seek knowledge, and adapt to changing circumstances. With dedication and perseverance, you can build a secure financial foundation and work towards realizing your American dream.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.